Meaning of gimcrack.
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 Gimcrack. The word gimcrack refers to something that is cheaply made and of low quality, often with the appearance of being fancy or ornate. It can also refer to something that is showy but ultimately lacks substance or value. This term has a negative connotation and is often used to describe items that are poorly crafted or put together. Examples of gimcrack objects might include gaudy jewelry, flimsy furniture, or poorly constructed toys. Overall, the term gimcrack suggests something that is superficial or deceptive in its appearance or value.